everything together, Regina Selmonds.
What? I put everything together. Oh.
One job, Reggie. One job. Let me see what it is.
Shouties and shouties. Throw that ass in a circle. Throw that ass in a circle. Welcome back to another episode of the Selmonds. Alright, tonight, we're actually gonna be doing some DIY or BIY, which is build it yourself. So we ordered a new desk for me, so our current desk can go to our sewing area in our living room. I know we're just trying to maximize all our space. We bought a sewing kit, or a sewing machine, right babe? Sewing machine. And it's gonna be placed on this table here. I forgot, our room is weird. Our room didn't come with any ceiling lights, so it's gonna be pretty dark in here. So this table here will be going outside into the living room and placed in the corner. Yes, we have a mess. We have still not fully put everything where it's supposed to be. These chairs are supposed to go with our dining table, and our dining table is in here. It came together as a set, but the dining table is too big to move around. And this is gonna be like our work area, and that's supposed to be our dining area. But as you can see, all of Reggie's shoes are right there. Boom. And this is supposed to be our area rug for our living room. But once I fix this and buy a new shoe rack, then we'll be able to do all of that.
If you wanted to buy a shoe rack for like
that
years, not
for what?
Years. You know how like
yeah, basically. Anyway, so now we're about to go ahead and try to start this. It is 10 p.m. after a work day, so we're gonna it's 10:05. So we're gonna try to get as much done as we can. If not, we're gonna see wherever we land. So, all right, you guys.
That's crazy. You got it?
Yeah.
You already broke it.
It's alright.
We need tijeras.
You need what?
Tijeras.
Scissors?
Say it in Spanish.
Tijeras. Dame las tijeras.
La tijera.
La tijera.
It's only one.
Why isn't it tijeras? We call scissors more than one.
It's in Spanish is different. It's la tijera, which is just only one.
All right.
Las tijeras is
more than one pair.
more than one.
More than one pair. Dang.
Sí, señor.
Yeah. This is a solid ass table. This about to be heavy. You wanna come on this side? I'm gonna take you. This is gonna be a solid table.
Damn. Oh!
Break you, girl.
You're gonna break me if I break this table?
Yeah.
The table is more important than your wife.
Nah, but it's newer than my wife.
Damn, you trash. You're already breaking that shit. That's fucked up.
So, after 25 minutes, made like 2 drawers. These are the hardest drawers you gotta put together in life. You put these together, the rocket ship. All right. taking a quick break to eat some ice cream.
We haven't done shit.
We just put together 2 doors. Not even 2 doors. 2 drawers and a rail. Come on now. Ice cream is good though. What flavor is that?
So, it's chocolate chips cookie dough.
Okay, yeah, only 360 calories per pint.
So
Yeah,
if you're trying to lose some weight.
Where they got that at? Round.
Halo top.
Halo top.
Hola top.
Hola cabeza? No, that's wrong. That's head.
Head.
How do you say top in Spanish?
Arriba.
Damn, you even worse than me. Come on now. I could have said adios.
Up. Oh, up is
like top. Like, let's say at top of the hill.
Arriba.
Damn, that's what
oh shit.
Alright.
My neck wants some. You want some?
Nah, I want to put this desk together so we can go to sleep. It's already 11. We took an hour and 5 minutes to put together 2 drawers, y'all. Look, no cap.
Damn.
An hour and 5 minutes.
I should focus. It was arguing with me.
I was
When
arguing.
I was telling you.
Anyway, I'm getting back to trying to put this. Oh, damn.
Oh.
Alright, putting this back together, man. Next step. Better get it right, nice and glued up. Bow.
Oh, you know what is that for, right? So you don't need this.
Maybe, maybe not.
Oh, you put the cords through here.
That's what I just
said.
said.
This is just dope.
Oh my god.
Oh my god.
Don't break the table now. Alright, boom. So.
Good job, Reggie. One job.
I got more than one job, isn't it? I can do it all.
So you guys, let me tell you the story about the sewing machine. So my 2 grandmas know how to sew. So
Know how to what?
So Jose and Reggie was like, babe, let me buy you a sewing machine. So you can learn because you know shit.
Yeah, I said let's buy a sewing machine. So I need to sew these damn labels on because you can't do them by hand. And okay, what's the rest of the story that you want to tell people?
But you're so kind and bought me a sewing machine.
That you don't use it all.
Bing.
I used it more than you. I ain't gonna lie. I was more productive.
What do you do?
What did you do? Sew lines. Come on.
Hey, I put everything together, Regina Selmonds.
What? I put everything together, damn near.
I put the whole thing, the whole sewing machine together.
Anyway,
you just came and sit down and start sewing.
Check me out. So
I did the whole process of
your boy's trying to see how he can sew these labels on. You feel me? Bam. So these are the labels.
That shit trash.
I mean, I gotta see how to sew. So you know, your boy sewed it down real quick. Boom. I don't know if you see that.
I put the whole sewing machine together.
I'm trying
he
to
literally just came
I'm trying
and
to have
started sewing. Okay, go ahead.
You see, trying to have this focus. We sewed that down, sewed this down, sewed it on the inside. Trying to learn how to sew real nice. You see? Bam.
You gotta learn, because I already know it, so.
After about 30 minutes, we realized we put these upside down. So we have to take them off and fix it this way. After we tried to put the drawers on. And yeah, you can see right here, shit's off. And we put this on backwards, thanks to lovely women there. Also. And we had to spin it and fix that. So hopefully there ain't much more after we put on that second piece that we have to fix. But current time is, what's the current time?
This is half of the work that I've been doing.
So, we finally finished at 1:30. What time? At 1:36 in the morning, we finished. How'd you like it, babe?
It's pretty nice.
It's pretty nice. Damn, you look tired.
It's taking so long to sleep.
So, this is a desk. Has a little organizer. Has 2 drawers. That's a little tough to get, you know.
Gotta put some more.
Gotta put some WD-40 in that motherfucker. So, but bam. Did the table. And now, we're about to go ahead, put it in the room, and drag the other one out. Ready? Hey, get it ready. Boldies and shorties. Yeah. Just, you know, because my air freshener right now is running out. I get a new one.
Let me see what it is.
Boldies and shorties. Throw that ass in a circle. Throw that ass in a circle.
Ooh. That's my sewing machine. He even bought me a whole kit. So cute.
Yeah.
I did the whole top part.
Yeah, you're right. It did take me about 30 minutes to do all that though.
I finished everything and he was still with those drawers.
Girl, you needed help on your part. You gonna lie to the people like that? What? Like that?
All right, so are you done?
Yeah, pretty much. So, well, that concludes our day. You can see my area is still a mess. Well, I'll get it down. Here goes some merch.
Oh, merch.
Merch.
That's a big store price.
And yeah, pretty much this might stay a mess tonight. So you've seen the desk, you've seen most of our trash house that we have not been able to organize, and you've seen Myra's nice work area. Even though I may be using it maybe half as much as you would. We tired. It's 1:55 in the morning. We got work in the morning. That's it for us. See y'all on the next episode.